Here are the instructions for completing the KYC. Know your customer process using the zondacrypto 2.0 application. Enter the application and select Verify Account. Then, from the main page of the KYC process, select Identity Confirmation. Read the instructions and press Start, and then Start Verification. Select the appropriate country of issue of the document and allow access to the camera of the device you are using. Take good quality photos of the front and back of the document and then press Send. Then you will be asked to take a selfie, a photo of your face. Send it to proceed to the next step, which is to verify and confirm the personal data that was automatically downloaded from the submitted photo of the identity document. From this point on, you can make your first deposit to the zondacrypto exchange and start trading. Then, go to the declaration. Enter the declarations and select the country of birth and then answer the questions. Select the required clause and send the survey. Return to the main KYC panel and enter address confirmation. Enter your address details. Then you will be asked to send a confirmation document. To do this, select the type of document from the list, read the information about the conditions it must meet, and send a high-quality photo or scan of the document. Press the Send for Verification button. Congratulations! You have completed the KYC procedure. The time taken for zondacrypto to validate your documents is a maximum of 90 hours. Once the account is fully verified, you will be able to use the full capabilities of our exchange.